Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing where to watch Elsa and Anna. Decide between a streaming service, a one-time digital rental, or a Blu-ray. Once done, check availability for your country and whether you need a subscription or must pay a rental fee. Make sure your playback device supports the format, apps, smart TV, or a casting dongle, and verify your internet speed if streaming, because higher quality needs more bandwidth. Next, sign into the chosen service or complete the rental purchase. You should have your payment method handy if required. Once you have access, select the preferred video quality, auto, 720p, 1080p, or 4K, so buffering is minimized. Then test audio and display. Ensure HDMI connections are tight, select surround or stereo as needed, and toggle subtitles or language tracks. This avoids interruptions during the key emotional scenes between the Now press play and settle in. You can pause and note timestamps if you want to revisit scenes. If playback buffers or stalls, drop the quality one step, close and relaunch the app, or power cycle your router to restore bandwidth. If audio is out of sync or video artifacts appear, restart the device, replug HDMI cables, and check for app updates. Finally, make sure parental controls or regional locks aren't blocking access, so you can watch without interruptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.